Hi friends, I am Ankit and today we will talk on how to record your computer screen in VLC Media Player. Normally we use VLC Media Player to listen music and watch videos. If you don't have VLC Media Player installed on your computer, then first you need to install it from their official website www.videoland.org. VLC Media Player is already installed on my computer, so I just open it. In VLC Media Player, go to Media, then go to Open Capture Device. In Capture Device, go to Desktop. Here enter the desired frame rate. 15 frames per second is okay. Now click on this little arrow on the play button and select on Convert. In Convert, go to Create a Profile. Now here select MP4/MOV format. Now click on Video Codec. Now here in Codec, select H.264. Now give a profile name. Now click on Create. Now click on Browse. Now here we need to give a file name. Now select a direction to save the file. I select Desktop and click on Save. Now click on Start. Now as you can see, desktop recording is started on my computer. Now click on Stop button to stop the recording. Now as you can see, my video file is saved on my desktop and I can run this file. Now like this, you can very easily record your computer screen by using VLC Media Player. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.